horizontally, whereas in the mobile version, it has kind of like a two-row, two-columns kind of effect, right? So let's see how I can build this using the tools that we know. So we'll start with the web matrix and Zuber. We'll talk about using Visual Studio a little later on. So let's switch to web matrix. So let me just go through a few different things. So as you can see here, I start with a doc type HTML, right? And I have HTML, body, header, and now I'm seeing some hopefully not so familiar tags like navs, sections, articles, right? So those are HTML5 elements. So when you hear about HTML5, how many of you knows like HTML5 and are doing it right now? Okay, a few. So with HTML5, because when people start to talk about HTML5, oh, can you do like all these cool flashy things and animation and videos and blah, blah, blah with HTML5? And most people say, yes, you can. But HTML5 has become such an over-bloated term, right? HTML5, in terms of spec, it just talks about HTML spec, right? The elements, the tags. It doesn't talk about JavaScript, ECMAScript kind of spec, or it doesn't talk about CSS3 or scalar vector graphic and so forth. Those are different specs. It's being bundled together and marketed as HTML5, but the HTML5 itself is really the semantic tags. And the point here is, like I said earlier, it's all about recognizing the structure of the document. So I remember back in the day when I was still in uni, right? So building PDF using LaTeX and all that kind of thing. What I was doing was I was introducing semantic to the document. I would say, this is a title, and this is a reference. This is